Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll teach you to design a hair in hand embroidering. Draw the head in an oval shape and do this embroidery. I am using anchor thread number 1005 for this hair. You can use any color of your wish. Take 6 strands and insert to a needle. Now start from the above surface and insert the needle from top to bottom. Pull the full length and leave around 11 centimeters. Just measure it. See, around 11 centimeters like this, and hold with your left thumb. And now bring the needle above nearby and pull all the thread like this. It will be like a back stitch. Insert the needle in the previous point and bring it in front of the last stitch like this, and let it be tight. In the first stitch we will be having the length of the hair, second stitch will be tight, and this is the third stitch. Now we should leave the thread for 11 centimeters. Measure using the first thread and hold it like this for 11 centimeters and do the next stitch. Bring the needle near the previous point like this, and the fourth stitch should be tight. First one and third one will be loose, and the second one and the fourth one will be tight. And here we are coming for the next stitch. It should be loose, so measure the hair while inserting the needle. Measure the length of the hair. It should be equal like this. Hold it and then insert the needle. Now we have finished the fifth stitch, and the sixth stitch will be tight. This is the same as that of the back stitch, but alternate stitches will have loose threads. I have already posted turkey stitch, which will be more or less like this, but the thread length will be very short for making flowers and other designs. This is the same, but we are leaving long threads for hair designing. In this same method, let us fill the oval completely. I have given the link of the turkey stitch in the description. You can also learn from that. And I have posted so many videos on the basic stitches and given all the links in the description. If you have missed my previous videos, go to the links in the description and learn the other stitches. In this same method, let us complete the oval shape for this girl embroidering. If you have any doubts, please comment in the comment section. try this hairstyle and give your feedback. When the thread is over, you leave it like this and start at the next point with other thread. You can leave the thread in the top of the frame itself. See here, the next thread also with same length I am starting, and you can continue the hair. Now I have finished completely the oval shape, and in the center there will be open space. See here, this is the back view. Now we should fill the open space with the same color thread so that the hair will look good. You can't see this white fabric in between the hair, so you should fill this space with the same color thread. I am doing satin stitch to fill this gap. You can divide into two portions and fill with satin stitches. The same way, let us finish this oval completely without any white gaps in between. Now I have finished it. And see, this will be the back view of the stitch. Now you can trim the ends. First cut the loops like this. And using a comb, first comb the hair. After combing it well, you can divide this hair into three portions. And you can do pleats like this. First from right and then from left. Every time you comb the hair once so that it will be very neat. Again from the left side, comb it, bring the right one, left one, comb in between, Bring the right one again to the center, and now the left one to the center. Comb again, and after making pleats for the whole length, hold tight with your left hand and make a knot. You can also put a bow. You can use different color thread too for this. Now we have finished the hairstyle. Comb once again and trim the ends equally. It will be neat. Now we have finished the hairstyle. You can fix flowers or any hairbands like this, and let us finish the dress. Here I am using satin stitch to finish her dress. These are straight stitches for her skirt, and again for her belt I am using herringbone stitch, closed herringbone stitch. With another color. I have given the links of the satin stitch, straight stitch, closed herringbone stitch in the description. If you like this video, share with your friends and click the like button. Now finish the outline with stem stitch or back stitch. If you have not subscribed for Poongodi's channel so far, please subscribe. Also, click the bell icon for further notifications. Thank you.